Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to change the date and format on Windows 11. Maybe something happened and your date is wrong, or you need to customize it. We will also have a look at changing the time zone. First, I want to show you how to get to this window where we can change the date. I'm gonna left click to close it. First, you need to right click on the date and time at the bottom right, and then left click on adjust date and time. We are back to the same window where we can change the date. First, you want to have a look to see if set time automatically is turned off. If it's turned on, the date won't stay as you set it. It will be synced from the internet. If it's turned off, just left click on the button here that says change next to the set the date and time manually option. Left click, and on this window we can left click on these buttons to change the options, and you can of course also set the time if you need to. And when you're ready, left click on change. To set the time zone, just left click on the button over here next to time zone, and you will be able to select a different area. Lastly, to change the format, left click on region at the top right and look for regional format and left click, and then left click on change formats. And over here you can left click on the buttons to change any of the options. That's it guys. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.